Are you tired of putting all the effort into dating and not getting the results you want? Would you like to learn techniques to become a high-value man that women can't resist? Then you have come to the right place. In this video, I will reveal 14 rules that will help you take control of your dating life and make any woman pursue you. These rules will teach you how to exude confidence and masculinity that will set you apart from the competition and get the attention of the woman you are interested in. So let's begin. Rule 1. Make a good first impression on her. It cannot be denied that first impressions can have quite a powerful and lasting effect on a woman. You should make the right impression on her from the first time you meet her. It's strong and lasting, and that's why you should do everything you can to make it a great one. The first time a woman meets you will always be remembered. If you want the girl to chase you and fall in love with you instantly, you need to nail the first impression and make her realize what a great guy you really are. It will be love at first sight. Also, another thing you should focus on is how you approach her. However, sometimes things can go wrong, and you may fail to leave a good first impression. Don't worry if that happens. Women are fair and forgiving in that respect, and they will give you a second chance to turn things around. Rule 2. Be mysterious. This is the most important thing you need to know if you want a woman to pursue you. Being mysterious with a girl you like will make you look like a real irresistible alpha male. Don't reveal too much about yourself on the first date. Also, don't share too much information about yourself on your social media. Let her investigate the things she wants to know about you. This isn't a hard game to get. It's how you find out if she likes you enough to find out some things about you on her own. She will watch your every move. If she likes you, she will want to know more about you. That's why your puzzlement creates intense sexual tension between you and makes her pursue you more than ever. Rule 3. Make her laugh. Women think humor is one of the most attractive social skills and traits a man can have. That's why humor is always a good way to get women to pursue you. So, of course, girls like guys who can make them laugh. But you should know that there are some restrictions that you should respect. Don't use jokes that make you angry. Also, if you have met a girl, don't use dirty jokes. Note though, having a sense of humor isn't just about telling jokes all the time. It's also about being able to find humor in things around you and being able to make her laugh every time. Rule 4. Be physically irresistible. There are plenty of other ways to attract women besides your looks, but we all love it when someone cares about their physical appearance. Do exercise, eat healthy food, take care of personal hygiene. Don't forget that women are crazy about men who smell good. So remember to wear deodorant or cologne. Wear clothes that fit your body. A good hairstyle will always improve your appearance significantly. Also, your haircut says a lot about your personality. Physical appearance is also related to your self-esteem, and it is a well-known fact that women always fall for confident men. Looking good and attractive will boost your confidence, and you won't feel insecure around girls. So, as famous dating coach Dossie Carter says in her book, stop acting attractive and be attractive. Rule 5. Stay busy. Don't stay with her all the time. Let her breathe. Also, she needs to know that you have other things in life besides her. If you start treating her like she's the only person in the whole world, she'll start thinking you're desperate. You have to prove to her that you're a man of high worth who thinks about his future and how to create a better future for him and his future family. Show her that you want to make the most of life. Focus on your work and goals. Hang out more with friends. Go on some trips with your friends. Find a good book to read. Write, clean, cook. You have to show her that you have your own life, your own social circle, and she should try to be a part of it. Rule 6. Use your body language to seduce her. If you want the girl to chase you, using appropriate body language is probably the best way to do it. It's effortless. You just have to know a few tricks. First, eye contact. Make eye contact every time you talk to her. This is how you show her that you are interested in her. If she also looks straight into your eyes, it means she likes you too. Smile while you talk to her. A smile can sell anything you say. Also, it will make you look more relaxed, fun, and friendly. Your posture has many benefits for your appearance as well as your physical health. It says a lot about your confidence. If you have bad posture, you can always improve it. Find some exercises. Stand in front of a mirror and get into that pose that will have women chasing you. Rule 7. Be emotionally mature. Women are always attracted to men they can trust and depend on. If you want your woman to pursue you, show her that you are someone she can trust and trust in her heart. Once a woman knows that you understand her feelings and resolve conflicts, you will become irresistibly attractive to her, and the pursuit will begin. Emotional intelligence is something women constantly look for in relationships. If you feel she needs someone to talk to and be with, or if she needs a shoulder to cry on, be there for her. Be the kind of man who genuinely cares. Show that you care and validate her feelings without telling her she's being overly dramatic. And the most important thing you need to do is give yourself emotionally. Know that it's okay to be vulnerable. Be respectful, trustworthy, and compassionate. Rule 8. Attract women with confidence. It's no secret that the one thing all women want in a man is confidence. So if you want a woman to notice you and eventually make her pursue you, you need to show her that you are the reliable man that women want. Having strong, confident body language can show you confidence before meeting a woman. To do this, avoid excessive body movements, such as moving unnecessarily. Instead, aim and control your body movements. When you walk, do so with intention and direction. This will help the women who see you feel confident. Rule 9. Impress her friends. A girl's friends play a big role in her life. They are the ones she loves, trusts, and consults the most. So, you need to impress her friends to increase the chances of her following you. You can start by getting to know them, and then they start liking you. Once her friends have a crush on you, it will push her to wonder if she's missing something. This will make her curious, and she will pay more attention to you. At this point, you should also show your interest in her, but make sure not to go overboard. Rule 10. Pay her sincere compliments. Compliments can have a magical effect on women. However, you should be careful. Don't start bombarding her with tons of compliments. Give her only genuine and sincere compliments. She needs to be sure that you really mean it, and you're not just complimenting her to trick her. Your praise has the power to make her day. If you know when and how to use them, you'll have the girl chasing you sooner than you think. When you first meet a woman you like, you should never compliment her based on her physical appearance. Those compliments are not effective at all because women get them a lot. Rule 11. Make her jealous. To make girls chase you, you have to make them jealous sometimes. This does not mean that you are allowed to date other girls. There are many other ways to make her jealous. For example, you can like and comment on other girls' photos on Facebook or Instagram, or talk to other girls when you're around her. Once again, you have to be careful and not overdo it in making her jealous. She might head back and start to get jealous of you. At worst, she'll think you're not interested in her, or that you're not interested in her because you flirted with another girl and made her end the game and move on. Rule 12. Challenge her. Always remember, the harder a woman works for your affection, the more valuable you will be to her. That's why you're allowed to play hard to get. Challenging a woman you like is always a good idea to keep things interesting in your relationship. She should be curious about you and your life. Work her into the details of your life. You need to convince her that you are enjoying your life to the fullest and it is difficult to be with you. The aim is to challenge her without being obvious about it. Not answering her texts right away, canceling your plans with her, being mysterious and different from other men. Rule 13. Stop chasing her. If you find that you managed to get her to stalk you, don't start stalking her. No matter how much you like her, don't. She is the only person who has to do the majority of the chasing. So you want to make sure you make her work for it. There is a difference between stalking and stalking women. She's starting to pursue you, but if the tables turn too quickly and you're doing all the work, it's not going to end well. Be firm and make sure she keeps working to win you over. The moment she stops and you move on, you become all the other men chasing her. Remember, girls go after a guy who comes across as different and the best option. The moment you decide to stop chasing women, things will fall into place for you and you will see them start chasing you. Rule 14. Use the power of touch. Break the barrier of contact slowly. This has to happen with her consent, which means you need to look for her to pull back. Don't embarrass her. However, if she doesn't like slight touches, trust me, it's a very effective way to get her to follow you in a relationship. There are several types of love languages, and physical touch is an important one. A friendly nudge, being close to her, or any other playful and flirty touch will help you get her attention. Touch language brings familiarity between the two of you and increases comfort and ease. You want her to remember your touch and get used to it. The pangs of longing to be near you will drive her crazy, and she will want to be with you.